I don't know if I'm looking weird. Am I looking weird? I did not attend my graduation because I was working. My parents pushed my career out of me. Hello everyone, what's popping, what's goody? My name is Eniola Igbason of Impactus Eni, and you're welcome to my graduation vlog. So your girl is a degree older. Your girl is 1 degree hotter. DJ, play me. I've been a fuck up in a. Jokes apart. Whew, this girl right here is very grateful to God because God did that. No one else could have done it. Who do you know that can do such a thing as this? And I thought I should just, carry everybody along. I know I never carried anyone along when I was studying, when I was, doing the school stuff. But this time I want everybody to celebrate with me because why not? Why not celebrate with me so that you can be celebrated? Yeah. Got back from work like a few minutes ago. And then I have things to do today because tomorrow is my graduation and I have my nails to be done. I'm gonna do my press on nails myself, fix my cluster lashes and get this acrylic paint or is it gel polish off my toenails. I've had it for so long and I've been wanting to do it, but procrastination was not allowing me to do it. Enjoy this whole graduation content. Bless you. God did that and he helped your girl out, and I did that as well. Thank God for his mercy, his grace, his blessings, his favor. I do not take any of his love over my life for granted. Like I say it every time, I do not take God's love over my life for granted. He's such a wonderful God. It's so much. Thank you, God. Thank you, God. Thank you, God. Thank you, God. And thank you, Annie. Thank you, Annie. Thank you, Annie. Don't try this at home, or you could try it. I've got this acetone for weeks now. I need to get rid of my gel polish. I need to stop paying the nail shops money to get rid of my polish. I think it's a waste of money. Yeah, so we're gonna try using acetone by ourselves, DIY. I got this product off Amazon. I don't even know what brand it is, but as long as it's acetone and it does the job, yeah, we're using this. And the instruction says that you should soak a cotton pad with nail polish remover, wrap it on the nail with foil, leave it for 10 to 15 minutes for effortless removal. So I've got gel polish on, and I think I've almost taken like majority of it off, or majority of it fell off on its own. But I want the whole thing to get off so I can paint my nails myself. So hence we got this. Let's get it done. Acetone is a strong chemical, so let's hope things are all right. I proclaim let's see the outcome. I say to keep till 15 minutes, 10 to 15 minutes. Oh God, it's freezing. I don't know if this is supposed to feel normal because I feel so much cold. I don't know if it's the alcohol that is cold or is the thing that is eating my toenails. Oh my God. We'll see. We'll find out. So I'm just going to file my nail into my press on. I don't know if I should do it tonight because I feel like it's going to fly off by morning. But we'll see how it goes. And I feel like when I do it, I won't be able to do anything again with my life. So maybe I'll do it in the morning because my graduation is not until 3 p.m. And it's only 1 hour, less than 1 hour. I think 40 something minutes to get to the venue from where I reside. I still have enough time in the morning to do other things. And yeah, I think I'll probably just do my nails tomorrow. But my lashes, I'll get it done tonight. Fun fact is, I've never had to do graduation. My secondary school, I never got the chance. My nursing school, I didn't do it as well because I was working that day and it wasn't something that I found interesting. But I said this time around, we have to be happy for ourselves. We have to celebrate our small wins, our big wins. It needs to be celebrated. So I took it upon myself that I'm going to make this one count, because I don't know if this is the last one I'm doing, because studying is hard, man. It's hard, but trust me, at the end of it all, at the end of the day, you get the satisfaction that yes, you have achieved something. When they tell you school is calm, school is not calm, they're lying. My education background goes like this. I did diploma in nursing, so nursing never really occurred to me, right? My mom, I think I was going to go into medicine, and then I did not have a vast knowledge about career path and everything when I was leaving secondary school. I didn't have that vast knowledge about it, but I remember I knew I wanted to be a medical doctor. My dad's friend always calls me Dr. Eniola growing up, and I'm like, okay, maybe I would like to become a medical doctor, right? And then I didn't even try to be a medical doctor at all. I did not even try. I mean, I love medicine, but I don't know if it's my calling. I then finished secondary school, and my parents were like, oh, Eniola, why don't you do nursing? Nursing is more feminine, it's more you, yada 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 yada. I didn't even think twice. I was like, okay, let's do nursing. But then I was applying to go to university. I did jam. My jam were always good and okay. When it now comes to post jam, that post jam, they post somebody, they jam somebody. Okay, for those of you that don't know what post jam is, post jam and jam is a Nigerian thing. It's just a system of education that allows you to get into university in Nigeria. So I did post jam. It wasn't working. Like, I wasn't getting the schools that I wanted. I actually wanted to go to University of Ibadan, and then I applied to University of Ibadan, but it wasn't forthcoming because my post jam was not post jamming as at then. Mind you, I have tried like UI twice, and then I've tried to do FUTA because UI wasn't coming forth. I was like, okay, I'll just go to FUTA. That's Federal University of Technology, Akure. That's my hometown. I tried FUTA. FUTA did not work as well. I was like, ugh, I know I want to do nursing. I kept applying for nursing and nursing. I wasn't changing my mind. I wasn't changing the course. That's why my mom just woke up one day and she was like, oh, there's this somebody that mentioned that there's this school of nursing that's in Lagos States. There's like 2 schools of nursing in Lagos States, if I'm not mistaken. So they told me, oh, there's this nursing school. They're about to close their admission. Maybe I should apply and let's see how it goes. This is somebody that is already tired of applying to get to university. I was already so tired, but I wasn't giving up on, nursing. Kind of. I was like, I'm not giving up. Let me just keep applying to nursing. To cut a long story short, I did the exam, 9 minutes. I submitted my application on the last day. The story behind my nursing school, God, it can only be God. Like, if I look back and just think of how I started in this profession, God's hand is in this profession and career that I've chosen. Anyway, I did the exam. That was how my nursing journey started. So I went to nursing school of nursing in Igodo, Lagos State, to do my diploma in nursing. And before then, I had this controversy. I had this worry that, I want to go to university. I want to serve my country. That means if I go to nursing school, I started weighing the pros and the cons. That means if I go to nursing school, which is the diploma, I won't get to do 5 years in university. I won't get to serve my country. I won't get to do internship. At the end of the day, I realized that going to school of nursing is not even a problem. It's like the simplest and easiest and smoothest and happiest decision I've ever made education-wise. And I'm so glad I went to nursing school because it gave me just 3 years of studies. And that 3 years, I just said, story for another day. I finished from nursing school after 3 years, of course. Went all through the grilling, the drilling, the everything that comes with school of nursing. It was a great fun, amazing, bitter sour experience. So many things going on. But God did that. He pulled me through like he always does. I did not attend my graduation because I was working. And all those thoughts before I entered nursing school that, I want to serve my country, I want to do internship, I want to be more recognized, I want to have a degree. Like, in the middle of my nursing school, those thoughts just flew, like they disappeared. I was like, you know what, I'll just finish those. I don't want to serve my country. I don't want to do internship for 1 year. I just want to start working. I just want to start making money. Yeah. And working and doing what I like to do. right? And what I know best. That's how my nursing career started. My parents pushed my career out of me. Like, they didn't have to force me. It was something I was interested in, kind of, because of the health part. And then I was like, okay, you know what? Thank you God. Thank you God for this prompts. Thank you God for using my parents to help me to make the decision that has been one of the best decisions of my life. Yep, the story time is over. I need to check this thing because my leg, I feel like my leg is gone. I didn't do it right, but there's something off about it. It didn't work. I thought I had it covered. Anyway, the shoe I'm wearing is more of a covered shoe, so my toenails will not really matter. I'll get it done professionally. It just proved to me that DIY sometimes it's not for me. Oh my days. Let's go to the next thing. Okay, now let's move on to the brow. Mind you, this is the blade I brought from Nigeria almost 3 years ago. I don't know when I became my mom, because my mom keeps things. African mothers. She can keep something. I also realized that I like to keep my brows really full. I mean, when I trim my brows, I like to keep it still full, but trimmed. Can you see the difference? This, very nice, very cutesy. And this one has lost shape. So let's try to get this one to kind of look like this one. I am done filing my nails and making it look pretty against tomorrow. And I've done my toenails. I didn't paint my toenails. I just tried to file, trim, and make it look a bit nice. But I don't think I want to paint it anymore because my toenail hasn't recovered from the damage I have done to it. So yeah, I'm done. I just need to do the lashes. That's the only thing left now. Oh dear Lord, this is getting so tiring. I am getting so tired. So I'm just going to pack my things for tomorrow. And like I said, I'm not leaving the house until I think 1 or something, so I can get there a bit early so I can take pictures, make videos, do content, yada yada yada. It's already 8:13 and I'll get my lashes done quickly. By the way, have you seen, can you see the difference in my brows? They look more defined, more trimmed, better trimmed, different shapes, but they look good. I need to charge my camera as well to take with me against tomorrow because I started vlogging with the camera. I want to complete my vlog with the camera, so I'll be taking it with me tomorrow. I don't know how to feel about these lashes. Look weird. Maybe when I do the second side, I'll look normal. I've done this thing once before, and it was on my birthday. I tried it. It wasn't this obvious. I don't know. There's just something wrong about this one. Let me do the second side, and we shall see whether I'm taking this out totally or just leaving it. I don't know. This is what I'm looking like right now. Notice any difference? Oh my god, I look weird. The last time I did it, it's not this long. I don't remember the length I used. Even now, I don't remember what I used for one side and the other side. So I kind of used, I don't know if I'm looking weird. Am I looking weird? We'll find out after the makeup tomorrow. If it doesn't sit well with me, I'm taking it off. Like, no lash. No lash. We stick to our usual. And I think I am done with all the things I want to do tonight. Yeah, that's it. I said I was going to shower before doing this so I don't lose everything. But I'm still gonna have my bath tomorrow. If it comes off, it comes off. It means it's not meant to be. Anywho, I'm just done with everything I need to do tonight, and I'm ready for tomorrow. See you tomorrow. I can't wait to show you guys what I'm wearing. Thanks to Hannah for helping with my decision making, but I've just not known what to wear. But we survived. We decided what to wear. And yeah, let's go. Good night. See you tomorrow. Bye bye.